born in Texas, you're raised to be a Longhorn fan.
And once a fan, always a fan.
All my life I've been a Longhorn fan, and people even think that I went to UT. I go, no, I'm just a fan at heart.
Some fans are newer.
Next year, I plan to go here.
Like Misela, a high school senior attending her first home game.
It's crazy. I mean, I'm looking forward to it. I'm really looking forward to it for next year.
Thanks to her dad,
Class of '98.
it's a family affair.
So I'm glad they're here with me. This is my sister, so it's a family occasion right now.
Whether young or old, locals or travelers,
I work in West Texas on a whole field. I just try to come here as much as I can when I'm in town.
anticipation for a new era of leadership.
I think they're going to get us started in the right direction. I think they got a plan. They've been doing real good. Coach Sark got plenty of experience.
And just excitement to be back.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's kind of awakening to come back to this, you know.
That's what we've been waiting for all this for about a year and a half, maybe almost 2 years with this COVID thing.
I get a rush when I come down here, honestly, personally.
I love it.
Longhorns, baby!